Welcome to J&J's test video of S2MA246, a 2000 Miata automatic 410 open rear differential. Has 90 some thousand miles on it. I'll show you here real quick. 94,992. Runs good. CD player's bad. It's a cold start from overnight. No blow by at all. Nice and clean. Show you the transmission engages. Transmission goes. Woo. Reverse. Window regulator works. Oh, maybe not. Oh, because the door's caved in. Oh yeah, I wonder if I can't. We'll have to test it out of the car. Alright, thank you for watching S2MA246, 94,000 miles.